Hi, this is Brian Lathe, and I just want to do a real quick video, quick as I can here, and talk about Ty Lopez. So, on Thursday, I watched a webinar that Ty Lopez did. He brought on a trainer by the name of Dave, and they talked about, to some extent, yield farming and staking and so forth like that. And I've been trying to engage with Ty Lopez. He recently purchased Radio Shack, and he's trying to turn this into a whole thing where he's going to help the world understand crypto. And to as much as possible, I wanted to engage with him, but I don't believe that I've actually put any money toward Ty Lopez. I think there was one time where you could spend even as little as $5 and get involved in this whole crypto thing. But as I read the terms and conditions, it talked about monthly fees. And it's like, well, if it's only going to be $5 one time, why are you talking about monthly fees? I actually reached out to Ty Lopez's support, and that person didn't seem to understand anything I was talking about. I'm like, okay, if I can't get a good answer from you guys, I don't trust it. I don't know. I'm giving you my credit card. I don't know. I gotta click that I agree to the terms and services, and terms of services talk about a monthly fee. So I'm just gonna not pursue that, okay? But I did happen to get a chance to jump on one of his, I didn't pay for anything, so it was free to me, but in the email, he said it was one of his paid mentor programs, okay? So I don't know if that's a marketing tactic or exactly what he did there, but I jumped on this call, and it was supposed to be about day trading. And I wanted to check out about crypto day trading, but it ended up being about something I'm really, really knowledgeable about, which is crypto DeFi, at least staking or something like that. So I don't want to sound like I'm bragging, so I'm reading my message here. This is something I posted on Facebook. I don't want to sound like I'm bragging, but I just attended a crypto coaching call put on by Ty Lopez, and I'm telling you, I'm tons better than he is. Tons. He's famous. I'm not, but I'm tons better. I promise. The best APR he gave anyone on the call was 18%, and that's 18% annual. I talk about things often that are 18% daily, and he gave zero step-by-step on how to do it. Oh, he'll probably tell you if you join his $1,997 course. $1,997 course. That's what he was pitching at the end of this. And he said absolutely nothing on this call that wasn't said on Crypto Banter in the past few weeks and months. Nothing. I've been telling all of my followers on every channel, definitely listen to Crypto Banter. Okay? Every day I've been telling everybody for at least 6 months to listen to Crypto Banter. It's a YouTube channel. I've learned a lot from them, so I know you will too. So I know it's a video, and I say listen to because I listen to that video through earbuds as I'm doing my day job, so I'm really glad I'm able to do that. So start watching and or listening to Crypto Banter every day. I can't control the foul language. I post everywhere telling Rand, he's the leader of Crypto Banter. I post everywhere telling Rand to stop cussing. He don't give a flip. If you have any questions about Crypto Banter, what they discuss on there, come into my Brian's Bitcoin Buddies Facebook group, and we'll talk about it there. So there are communities and so forth that you can get involved with Crypto Banter, but I'm building my community. So if you found out about my community and I'm telling you to go look at Crypto Banter, come back to my community and we'll discuss it. So I've got this forum called Brian's Bitcoin Buddies, and it's a Facebook group. You're definitely welcome to join that. I'll have a link in the video. So looking forward to connect with you. Just wanted to share this information quickly. Hope you have a great day. Connect with me and let's make some money together. Bye for now.